Severe thunderstorm watch. Issued at Tuesday 5:57 AM, June 24, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description: conditions are favourable for the development of severe thunderstorms that may be capable of producing strong wind gusts, large hail and heavy rain. Hazards: wind gusts up to 100 km per hour. Toonie to golf ball-sized hail. Heavy rainfall. When? Early this morning until late this morning. ###. Local utility outages are possible. Damage to roofs, fences, branches or soft shelters is possible. Severe thunderstorm watches are issued when conditions are favorable for the development of thunderstorms capable of producing damaging hail, wind or rain. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to onstorm@ec.gc.ca or post reports on X using #onstorm. For more information, https://www.ontario.ca/page/be-prepared-emergency. Recommended action: be prepared for severe weather. If threatening weather approaches, take cover in a basement or interior room. If outside, protect yourself from flying debris and hail. When thunder roars, go indoors. Lightning kills and injures Canadians every year. Emergency Management Ontario recommends that you take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches.